Finally.
Oh, not again.
So let's talk about AirTags. I've got myself this package of 4 AirTags and I was a little bit surprised, but maybe I shouldn't be surprised, that Apple is delivering nothing except a little beacon, and they charge you for any accessory crazy amount of money. So for example, something like a little keychain holder, like this one here, which is 3D printed, but Apple's original keychain holder costs you 14 or maybe 15 bucks. For something like an AirTag holder for a larger bag, they maybe charge you even $40, which is more expensive than the AirTag itself. So I decided to go into a little bit of a research to find 3D printable alternatives, and there's plenty of them. And I'm giving you my top 5 list with a little bonus at the end. So it started raining outside, it's really getting crazy in Germany today. So let's start with my favorite part, which is the keychain holder, obviously. So you can print it in a thicker version, that's this one, and a thinner version, which is a little more sleek. But both work fine. Probably the thicker one is a little more stable. I've printed all these AirTag attachments in PETG for the main reason that PETG is quite rigid and still quite flexible, at least flexible enough so you can fit in the AirTag into this holder without breaking it. And if you have some force on the part, it's not going to break as easy as PLA. Getting the AirTag attached to this part is quite easy. You just press it in. It clicks into place, and then you can attach it to your keychain, like I've done it here, or you can attach it to your bag or anything else where you can loop this in. And to get the AirTag out, it's just pressing it out, quite easy, for example, for replacing the battery. Part number 2 is this shell for the Fire TV remote. It's also available for the Siri remote. Assembling this is also easy. You just take the AirTag and slide it into the slot here. So it goes in here, and then you slide in the remote control, and then it's ready to be used and found. Another quite elegant solution is this wallet card that's just sliding into your wallet and then holds the AirTag. It's pretty thin, so it's about as high as 4 regular cards, so it's gonna fit in almost any wallet, and then you can find your wallet if you're looking for it. Honestly, if you have AirPods, you probably have been looking for them from time to time because they fit anywhere, and then you're leaving it in your pocket, you're leaving it in the car, you're leaving it anywhere, and then you don't find it anymore. And this attachment here is pretty nice to make your AirPod case findable. So the way how it works, you take the AirPod case, you slide this attachment on, and then you click in the AirTag, and then this is a findable AirPod case. And number 5 is for anyone who has a cat or dog. This is a collar attachment. The collar goes in underneath and comes out on the other side. And then this is screwed in place pretty firmly, so it's not going to get loose. And then you can attach it to your pet. So I've promised you a bonus, and here it is. It's a bike attachment for the AirTag and goes underneath the saddle. So let's have a look. So this is how it works. It goes underneath the saddle, and I think there it's quite stealthy, so no one's going to see it in the first place. So let's attach it. So from here you can't see it. There it is. So the next time you buy something, better look for 3D printable accessories. It's gonna save you a lot of money, and it's also a lot of fun, as you see. And I will leave you with this and see you in the next video. Bye.